Tired of the mess? Tired of the waiting? Tired of the cost? Or are you just tired of bad chai? Meet the Loka chai maker. Making authentic chai at home has never been this easy or this good. We've made the world's best chai user experience. It's easy, convenient, clean, and an absolute joy to use. And it makes the best homemade chai.
Oh, that's great.
Wow, that's tasty.
The principal obstruction to making chai at home is the mess. So we created the chai fountain, which brews from the outside to the inside and stops the boil over.
We have a ceramic non-stick coating, which is easy to clean and toxin-free. It comes with a built-in strainer, which is dishwasher safe, and it makes it easy to dispose of the chai blend.
The 304 grade stainless steel is built to last.
It has an ergonomic handle, which is really easy to hold and to pour, and the upper lip is a continuous circle with no spout, so it can be poured from any direction.
Hi, I'm Anish.
And I'm Nikhil. We're the founders of Loka.
During COVID, I was diagnosed with cancer, and as I was recovering from my chemotherapy, Nikhil and I would always go for long walks where we would drink chai. And we were both really annoyed by how difficult it was to make. It was messy, it was complicated, and it was always boiling onto the stove.
And so we created Loka to solve this problem. We built an amazing team of designers, engineers, and taste experts. We brewed and tasted thousands of cups of chai in order to create the Loka chai maker, which helps you make the perfect cup of chai at home.
We're so excited to show you what we've created. This is going to change the chai game. We found a world-class manufacturing partner, we've started tooling, and now we need your orders to go into production.
So please back us now, and together, let's bring real, authentic, delicious chai to all the homes around the world.